You wake up and check the time. To your horror, you realize that you slept through the alarm and you're now late. Perhaps you skip breakfast and rush to get ready and dressed. As you leave home to go to your course or work, you are fervently hoping that there will be no traffic jams or delayed trains. This is not only an incredibly stressful start to your morning, but it will possibly also affect your schedule for the whole day. Because sleeping through your alarm and then having to rush to get ready to leave doesn't happen every day, you could describe this kind of situation as exceptional. Exceptional events can happen during program execution as well. In this video, you will explore the concept of exceptional events in Java more deeply. As a developer, it is important to understand and recognize exceptional events. Knowing why they occur is central to being able to avoid them and prevent your program from crashing. So, what is an exceptional event in a program? It can be described as an unexpected behavior that occurs when your program runs or during program execution. The word unexpected means that it's not something that usually happens, but that it may have occurred for an underlying unknown reason. Just as unexpectedly waking up late could disrupt your entire schedule for the day, in programming, an exceptional event disrupts the normal flow of program execution. Before examining exceptional events, it is important to understand what the terms exception and error mean, both in general and in Java in particular. The term exception can be defined as leaving something out, not doing something on purpose, or not following a rule. An error, on the other hand, is a mistake or an incorrect action. In Java, errors and exceptions are related to some degree and are usually discussed together. However, it is important to be aware that there is a significant difference between them. You have already discovered that an exception in Java is an event or an abnormal condition that could occur during the execution of a program. It interrupts the normal flow of executing program instructions. Exceptions can happen during compile time and runtime. They can also occur in code written by developers. What is important to remember is that exceptions are conditions that can be recovered by using correct exception handling mechanisms. Errors, on the other hand, represent an abnormal condition that cannot be recovered. They usually indicate a serious problem that should never happen. Errors always occur at runtime and usually happen due to the lack of system resources such as memory. They are not meant to be handled in an application using exception handling mechanisms. It is crucial that developers are mindful of them while writing code. Another key concept to be aware of is that there are two classes that represent exceptions and errors. They are also named exception and error. Both error and exception are descendants of a class named throwable. This means that throwable is the superclass of all errors and exceptions, and it represents both. All three reside in a Java package named java.lang, which is the base package included by default in all Java source files. Depending on when an exception or an error occurs, they can be categorized as compile time or runtime. They are also known as checked and unchecked. Exceptions that occur during compile time are known as checked exceptions. This is because they are checked or known by the Java compiler. They may also be called non-runtime exceptions. Exceptions that occur during runtime are known as unchecked exceptions. Errors always occur at runtime, and because of that, they always fall under the category of unchecked. Just as exceptional events, such as sleeping through your alarm, happen in your daily life, exceptional events can also happen in a program while it is in execution. You now know some exceptional events in Java code are recoverable and some are not. Unexpected events will happen, but as you grow as a developer, you can sharpen your skills. With time and experience, you will learn to reduce errors, which are irrecoverable. And even though exceptions are recoverable, if correct exception handling mechanisms are used, you will also find, as your skills develop, that you are able to anticipate and avoid them.